Hey, hi, welcome to this live. And this is a 4 baje ka live. बहुत दिनों बाद. How are you doing? Now, my thing is that the sale on dupattas just ended and we had a lot of fun. So yes, that's always our idea कि हम जो भी करें हम enjoy करें. We had a really good time and I think a lot of you grabbed some lovely pieces. So yeah, kudos to that. You're set. But if not, then we have some amazing collection for you. और आज मैं आपको जो दिखाने वाली हूँ, it's going to be about our mulberry cotton fabric, which is 2280 per meter. Now, if you're going to be wearing, I'm very well, thank you, and thanks a lot for joining in. Lots of lovely pieces for you guys to be showing, and it's going to be fun one. Of course, जो मैं पहनी हूँ इसके जो colors हैं ये मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको थोड़ी सी देर में. That is what it's going to come next. But before that, what I do want to show you is this, and here it is. And these are, guys, okay, somebody saying, okay, that's very interesting. Somebody saying that you do want to know where my neck pieces are from, but you don't get details on that. Of course, lots of details, sometimes we give it to you, sometimes not. This is our own creation. You can always order it from us, so depends. Yeah, so, more on that. Anyways, now, coming on this, these are the beautiful fabrics that we're going to be showing you today. Look at that closely. It's a unique composition. Cotton by silk ka ye composition hota hai. That's why it's called mulberry silk. And but we call it mulberry cotton because that's what it actually is. And these are 2280 per meter. मैं इसके साथ आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ this dupatta. Now I'm going to do a 5 meter plus dupatta look and look at how stunning it is. And I'm also going to do a plain bottom के साथ look. अगर मैं इसको करती हूँ 5 meters plus this dupatta of Kota silk, it's going to be 15,000. Great value, very dressy, very pretty, and really comfy to wear. Now, if I'm going to do a plain bottom with it, मैं उसका भी आपको price बताने वाली हूँ. What is going to be the price for plain? और ऐसे बहुत सारे sets आने वाले हैं आपके लिए today. It's 11,750 for this 2.5 meter. This dupatta and a plain chanderi cotton bottom. और अगर आप चाहें तो आप इसको 3 meter, 5 meter, 8 meter. You can take as much. It's an ensemble set. 2280 per meter. This dupatta 3600, and I think it looks fabulous on this. If you prefer a chanderi cotton, then I will also give you that look. This is a chanderi cotton. You can see, and I think yes, it does look very pretty with it. That's your look. So that's a beautiful one pink look. अब इसके मैं variations आपको colors के दिखाऊंगी. In the middle, what I also want to show you is this. You can wear it like this. So you can do same on same 5 meter, same fabric ऊपर नीचे. नहीं तो ये color palette में look at that. That's a beautiful shade of blue. इसको top, इसको bottom में पहने और vice versa. Along with a chanderi cotton dupatta or a Kota silk one. This is 2280 per meter. ऐसा ही मेरे पास दो और है combination जो I want to do. और उसके बाद again I will show you with the dupattas which are ready. जिनमें नहीं थे मैं आपको I'm just going to show it to you. A shade that I really like is this one. I think it's a very nice and subtle shade. So 5 meters plus dupatta is 15,000. And a plain bottom. अगर आप एक कोई भी लें उसके साथ plain bottom लें and dupatta and everything like a 3-piece suit, it's 11,750. Really good deals. And yes, so today we are showing you what in summary हम आपको इस collection का mulberry cotton में बहुत सारे looks दिखाएंगे. And really good, very nice budgets, very easy to wear, very easy to match. And look at that, that's your next one. This is your full look for 5 meters. Quickly, more colors. Chota sa live hai, which we are going to show you so that there is something that's there. I know a lot of your content gone this morning, but yes, that's why we're putting up this fresh new live for you. So again, now you can go all stripe. Also looks really, really cool with this dupatta. You can see that. Now that's a blue. It's very rare that you will see this blue in our collection. I'm liking it. I'm learning to like it. And you are going to see more and more. But yeah, I'm working on that. Now look at that. This is something really to my heart. Bright, vibrant, always good. So look at that. That's a really good one. Or in sabhi mein you have enough fabric. Next up, I'm going to show you colors and what I'm wearing. That's also a 20,700 for 5 meter plus dupatta. This is coming up next. Iske beautiful colors. But for now, this one, Now I'm going to show you a fabric again in a contrasting combination. So you can see this one, and this one is with a contrasting combination. Let's show you that. It's a Kota Silk Light. If you say we can do a blue dupatta as well, that's also possible. But yeah, this is like a contrasting one, and all these really nice colors, cool colors. Now black, you can do a black on black, but you can also do, and I like that slight touch of contrast. It just kind of adds to it. This fabric is very soft, it's very wearable, and it comes on a budget, so it's like win-win on many factors. Look at that, that's your full look. Now, up to next one, it's a really good black look. Now the next two I'm going to give you with a heavier dupatta, so to showcase to you that these looks can also be really dressy. Now look at that. I think it's a very lovely color. It's a really deep shade of brown. Look at your combination right there. This is a tissue dupatta with a satin border, and I think it's fab. अब आप चाहें तो ये दुपट्टा इस तरह का, this is 18,800. This you can take with any of the mulberries that I have shown you. We do have these in gold after a long time. So yeah, that's restocked again. Now look at that color. This is the whole dark color. I'm just coming it closer. And this is the look. I think it's very pretty. You can go for a plain bottom. In some designs, जो छोटे flowers हैं, or where you're wearing a combination of the diagonal stripes or full stripes, you know, so it's really good patterns which we have kind of thought about and put them together for you. Like this is a small flower, you can go same on same, you can wear the two pattern designs, and look at that, also very pretty. These are the 18,800 tissue with satin border. These dupattas go really well and can be dyed. एक थोड़ा सा ड्रेसी ब्लैक दुपट्टा भी दिखा देती हूँ मैं, so that you can get a full, and if you say you want a kota or you want a chanderi cotton, that can also be done. Now this one is nice combination. This one is chinia silk. This is mulberry cotton. Buy it by the meter. It's a good one to have in your wardrobe. Very wearable and dressy. And hi and hello to everyone who's just joined now. And yeah, let's go on to the colors as to what I'm wearing. Now you can see this is ultra lightweight. This is the 2023 look part, which were part of the Neve Essentials. So these are those looks. These come with, as you can see this, you know, look at that, the handwork, it's all there. Sorry for that. It's all there. It's very easy to wear, and you can see the Sona and the Rupa, the work done, hand embroidery with the touch of pearl, all there. So you can give me this here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing colors in this. Now this dupatta separately, it's ultra lightweight. This is a classic color. Why I'm wearing this, iske saath ye to acha hi lagta hai, but even if you do you know like any other dupatta, that also goes really well with it. But yeah, you go, there you go. I mean, I like to wear this as a set. I can also wear this kurta and bottom, and you can see the self detailing, all of that here. You can get in the part of the style guide, so you can see it there as well. And the detailings, if you want to kind of get it you know, tailored to the same style, you can take the Neve style guide. Don't forget it. It's a PDF on WhatsApp. So there you go. That's your dupatta. That's the color one. अब मैं इसके बाद आपको I am going to show you. Let me place my dupatta properly. It's really light, really easy. Like I can do a complete live and still be wearing this piece. It's that simple. So there you go. I'm just going to take a water break. Hope you guys have something more interesting in your hands. Your favorite cup of tea, coffee. You know, somebody was telling me, a very dear client this morning, that, you know, I'm having my morning cup of tea and I'm watching a Neve live. So I said, that's a most wonderful thing. Chai and Neve go really well together. We're always talking about it. Somebody else was emailing me that, you know, you show these beautiful things. I want to ask you, have you ever spilled tea on them? Thankfully, so far, no. So yeah, all of that. So some interesting, I mean, those are the chits and bits and parts of chats which make it very, very interesting for me. I'm constantly looking at your chats, interacting with many of you. It's probably my most favorite work. I love to showcase and, you know, talk to you guys. That's the whole thing, and that's why we have this whole chai time live theme, which you see at 4 o'clock. Now look at that. That's the next color. So जो style मैंने पहनी है उसमें आपको लगेगा 7 to 8 meters minimum, you know, depending on your size too. That also matters. So it depends on that. But if you're going to go for a straight suit and this beautiful dupatta is going to be 20,700, I think it's a really light, it's a premium chanderi with some gorgeous colors to showcase to you. So let's do that. Now this one is a pink color, and we started the mulberry also with that. Look at that. These are ready to be shipped out today. Many of you saying, some of you saying, you know, I'm in Canada, I'm going to come. I wanted like everything in 2 days time. So, you know, it happens that, you know, sometimes, and most of the times we have kind of just waited for the last minute to finalize our dresses. For that reason, we have many ready to ship out pieces. This morning we did show you some gorgeous linen suits. The video is just posted this morning. You can check out on that full sets. Now look at that. Now for example, something like this, ready to go out today. You say, मुझे 5 मीटर ये चाहिए. अगर आपको 8 मीटर or something more you want, then it takes us a day. So guys, if you really have that urgency, you have to tell us when you are placing the order. We always try to kind of process them very fast, but you know, it's a rainy season. Now look at that. I think that's a pretty color. This purple, that's a beautiful color, especially in this fabric. You know, cannot fail you. Go for the soft look, and you don't have to worry about, you know, fluff. It just falls. It's just easy to wear. That's the whole look. This is a beautiful yellow, and look at that. Yes, so vibrant. It's a sunflower yellow. Loving this color. So 5 meter plus dupatta, 20,700, 980 per meter. That's the fabric. Let's open this one for you. You have of course seen me wearing it. You can see the softness, but just look at the fabric. It is this soft, and really easy for you to go for, and that's your whole look. And yes, ready to go out today. We do ship worldwide, and अगर आप बाहर से payment कर रहे हैं, which is the biggest concern, we want to keep it very safe for you, very simple for you. Therefore, we always recommend that you use our Razor Pay links. They're the easiest to use, whether you're in India or outside India. And if you're outside India, you can choose any currency. I think it has an option of 183 currencies that you can use to kind of make your payment. So yeah, really flexible. And that's the, अब इसका मेरे पास fabric नहीं है, so this is the light brown color. Also very neutral, looks good in many ways. Now, okay, so that being done, and you know, I'm going to put this dupatta aside for now because I want to show you some really lovely dupattas, and there you go. This one is a lightweight chanderi dupatta that you can see right here, and yes, it's got this floral jal, you know, chanderi fabric like the one that I'm wearing. Looks very nice with it if you have dyed it in the base color. Or of course you can also wear it with, honestly, you know, if you like a matched look, great. But मेरा ये हमेशा कहना है, हर piece, हर दुपट्टा, like we do so many beautiful dupattas, and many of you have many of those dupattas, and I always say यार हर दुपट्टे के लिए एक full suit बनाना, maybe, you know, yeah, you can go for it. Many of you go for it, but many of you also want to, you know, like keep some neutral kurtas in your wardrobe that you can kind of wear than more than one dupatta. I think that's so wise. Like, you know, having our champagne gold in plain chinya, having a classic munga silk in the natural color, a black katan suit set, you know, olive gold in chinya buta. These are like, you know, absolute essentials. They will take you through so many looks. Even something like what I'm wearing as a part of an Eve Essential, you know, last summer's, we launched it last summer's. Really good. Of course, इस साल का 2024 के 3 summer 4 new essentials हैं, which we have launched, you know, just this month and last week of May. And you must have a look at it. You can also check it out in the Neve Essential. It's also there all on Facebook, Instagram, so you can know more. And this one, very nice. This colorful tassel kind of adds so much to it. This is a neutral color, and the whole thing finished again. All of these pieces, wonderful pieces, ready to go out today for you. Look at that. That's so yeah. I think there are like 4 designs and 4 different colors, and yeah, this is also an end of a collection for us. So yeah, very excited कि अभी भी है These come, of course, with the woven Neve logo, as you can see it right here. Now, okay, so we did start out with the mulberry 2280 per meter. Then we went on to these dupattas, which are, what is the price of these dupattas? 8,800, the one we just showed you. The one that I'm wearing, iske saath jo dupatta tha, this is a set, 20,700. Now, another such really good set is this Chanderi cotton Mukesh embroidery all, and this set, if you're going to see with a plain bottom, if you're going to go for it, then it's going to come for 12,275. And when I say that, I mean as a full set, 12,275, 2.5 meter plain bottom, and this lovely dupatta. And look at the colors. मेरे पास बहुत color option है, which I'm going to give you, but I also want to kind of just show the fabric. It's so rich. It's got that sheen and really light, of course. Lining जरूर लगाएं हर fabric में. Honestly, अगर नीव का आप कोई भी fabric ले रहे हैं, you should use lining. If you there are many which don't need it, क्योंकि चुभने की वजह से नहीं होता है. That's not why you need it. Like what I'm wearing is the softest fabric. But yes, it will last you longer. For many looks like these, in fact, oh, what a nice, very, very this light pink shade. And for something like this, you can use the lining, which we have 480 per meter. You can keep it slightly. You can wear it like a slip and a jacket, or a slip and a kurta. That can also be done. That's also good. It looks nice as a styling as well. You can keep the slip a little longer. Do a U-cut, बहुत सारी ideas हैं which you can do with them. You can also, the fabric that I'm wearing, in fact, you can do a two-layer look. They go all the time. I'm showing you. I was showing you. It is so clean, Sometimes you get confused. Look at that. So the fabric that I'm wearing, अगर इसको आप same fabric को lining में भी use करेंगे, and the slip and the main kurta, it looks very good as well. So look at that. That's a beautiful color, a full set for you. Some more colors to go for, and iske baad I'm going to go for a darker color. So you can see that it's a beautiful deep burgundy color. Some of you may call it wine color, surely, if that is what it is to you. Wine color ki definition बहुत ही tricky. Your wine and my wine may be different, but this is exactly the shade it is. We are, yes, in the midst of monsoon, where we are in Mumbai, and as I'm doing the live, it's just growing darker and darker outside. But the premises, this place that we are in, the only condition when we got it was that we wanted a lot of natural light, and thankfully, all day, all seasons through, we do get a lot of light, and it's all open, so that the whole idea is that when you see this live, you can see the truest color possible. As I said, aapki wine, meri wine, दोनों अलग color हो सकता है, but this color remains what it is, and it's exactly as it looks. 12,275 for the full set. ये color है मेरे पास. I think इसमें मेरे पास दुपट्टा नहीं है, but then again I can dye it for you. Look at the richness of the fabric. It's beautiful. Make a long flowy dress, a kurta, asymmetrical look. Top and bottom with it. Agar top and bottom लेते हैं, तो of course the price will increase. But I think it's very pretty. The color, it's like an indigo color. Very rare again. Yeah, इस पे मुझे बहुत, indigo is of course one of for a whole story very closely associated with Neve, yes. But I will talk more about that later in this year, because you're going to see a collection based on that indigo and color, which is very, very closely associated with Neve and its history and why it's what it is. So more on that later. I know the timeline is very lumpy, but yes, we are always making the most beautiful pieces for you. Each of those pieces that we make take a long time to plan, to design, to sample, and to produce. So yes, more on that later. I had a very exciting working weekend last time, and I have lots of pictures to share from you, which I will hopefully put it out. So now look at that. This one, now we're going to go and shift on to, we've done cottons of various kinds, but the last collection that we have, and I should definitely do it before it goes any darker, but I've always seen with these wonderful technology, the best phones that we have, the darker it gets, the more better the light gets here. So I have no problem. Now those are the pure Georgette suits. These are 27,000. Again, ready to ship out. So many of our collections today ready to be shipped out because I know that you really want to, and I think everyone is traveling this month. You want to carry your dresses, and then July mein kuch everybody has something lined up, and you know you want everything with you. So you know, yes, these are, and it's summers, of course, everywhere. So people are traveling. You're from outside to India. Now this one is a beautiful color. I love this color. It's a natural neutral color. You know, look at that. If you see this, it's so classy. Iske saath, if you just accessorize it with gold and wear nice shoes, I mean, of course, nice shoes with all suits, but it's a very lovely piece. That's what I like, that color basically. So there you go. Sometimes, yeah, you know, you tend to be a little partial towards the color that you like more. For me, it's all these natural colors. Black being black, it's absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at that suit, guys. Ready to go out today. One stunning black suit. This is 27,000 for a full 3-piece suit set. And yes, it looks wonderful. It's beautiful. It's easy to wear. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, Georgette, the most forgiving fabric in terms of its care, in terms of how you wear it. कैसे भी आप पहने अच्छा लगता है. Very low on maintenance. You know, I prefer all, I mean, you've seen it, I always prefer my silhouettes to be looser. Some of you prefer it to be tighter. Chahe kuch bhi ho, Georgette looks good. You can do embroidery, you can do embellishment. Ye sabhi cheeze possible. Oh, again, you know, pretty color. With this, last 2 colors in this, and that's what it is all about today. You know, the whole idea was that we did a lot of dupattas in the last 2 days in the 48-hour sale that we did, which is now over. And you know, yeah, thanks for all the great response. But a lot of you said, "Mujhe ab suit chahiye," you know, ho gaya, you know, I want to find a suit, which is why we are here and showing you suits that are, so many of these that are ready. Look at that, such a deep cherry color. For me, I also call it a cherry color. What is it to you? It's maybe a ruby red to you. So yeah, here it is. Now look at that. That's a beautiful, pretty color. Full looks. I'm going to open this one also and show it to you a bit, if it's possible. Yeah, look at that. This is the kurta. Acha, this is a 2.5 meter kurta, guys. Everybody, you know, it's a 2.5 meter kurta. But I always say, if you feel that the fabric is less, this is a fabric dyed with it. It's a perfect match. Use it for the sides. You know, you can see my design, right? The self-piping. When you feel that the fabric is less, sometimes, अगर किसी को कम पड़ता है, तो ये fabric में आप side में ये bottom का fabric के plain panels करें and join it with a self-piping. It looks wonderful. You can also do alternate, but उससे better है आप side में कर लें अगर if you want one structured look. It's a great way to wear because some of you may have an issue with the sizes, and see, if you do हमारे थान से ensemble आपको कभी problem नहीं होगी, but lot of you say नहीं मुझे वो सूट ही बहुत पसंद आया. Then I'm just giving you a solution how you can wear it. One of those suits, and look at that, it's a pretty color. The last one coming up is this, and yes, now this is a kind of a peachish pinkish color, exactly the way that it is. I feel the darker it's gotten, the more beautiful this color has become. And you know, this is the last piece, and this of this live. The live is done, and you can see this wonderful ready to go out pieces right away. And thank you for all the time, and many cotton full looks for you to choose from. And thank you for turning up, and have a great day ahead. Thank you guys. See you very soon again. Bye bye.